Peugeot 307, and we're going to change the engine support here at the timing belt side of the engine. And the first thing that we're going to do is to jack the engine here at the timing belt side under the oil pan. So we're going to jack the engine here at the oil pan near the timing belt side of the engine. We're going to use a wood with a rubber here and position it here at the center of the jack. And jack the engine only up to the point that it touches the oil pan. There you go. Stop. So here's the engine support that we're going to replace, and we're going to use a E14 size torque socket. So you'll see it's of the proper size. And now we're going to remove the bolts here first. This three here. We use a power handle for ease of removal. Next to remove is these 4 bolts here at the main engine support. Now all the bolts of the engine support is removed. You can now remove the engine support by just lifting it up. So you'll see the damage here of the engine support. There's a crack here at the side. See the crack there. Also on this side you can see the crack of the engine support. So we're going to change this engine support assembly with a new one. So this is the new engine support. Now to install the new engine support, but you need to first jack the engine a little more. Oh, okay na. So now to install the new engine support here, you start on this side, the engine side, and install the 3 bolts. You make sure to jack the engine a little so that this side of the engine support will be a little raised while tightening this part of the engine support here. Because you're going to first start tightening the bolts here at the engine side. And now to tighten the 3 bolts to 45 foot-pounds. So these 3 engine bolts here are now fully tightened and properly torqued. And now to lower the engine by lowering the jack so that this part of the engine support here will now sit on this part of the chassis frame of the car. So to lower the jack slowly. There you go. Now to install the 4 engine support bolts. Iba mo na yung engine support. Yung jack. Nakasalalay na naman siya dito eh. Kumaga, ito nakasolid na siya dito. Tapos ito by design, pumapatong lang naman siya dito eh. Sige, pag nakikita mo na yan dito, pumapatong na lang sa support dito eh. Kumaga hindi malalaglag si makina kasi nakasalalay siyang lumapa talaga dito. Hindi kagaya pag inuna mo to, hinihila niya masyado to. Nakasalalay masyado doon sa bolt. Sa 3 bolt para hindi malaglag. And now to tighten the bolts down. And now to tighten the 4 bolts to 45 foot-pounds.
Lagi na.
Oh. So there you go, the brand new engine support is now installed. So it's that easy. So that's all.